Hello everybody, welcome to Road to Manhood. My name is John Moses. Today we're going to talk about the Mountain Hatch Tailgate table. I've had this for a couple years now and I'm excited to talk about it. Let's go. I've had this Mountain Hatch tailgate for over 2 years and I've had the luxury of putting it to the test. Let's talk about it all: installation, pros and cons, and the overall experience. But first, let's talk about the why. Well, I really enjoy cooking while I'm out on adventures. The original bumpy insert made it quite uncomfortable and challenging to balance everything out. Although I have other plans to make my cooking area way more convenient, I realized those expenses won't come out till way later, so I went this route instead. Regarding product details, this is a tailgate insert that perfectly fits selected vehicles. FDA approved plastic graded like a cutting board, and depending on the version you order, this will include recessed cup holders, Mountain Hatch logos, and more. The installation process is all plug and play. Simply get a T30 torque bit and replace the old with the new. If you're a visual person and need a full video, I'll include a link down below. Let's talk about some pros. The flat surface goes a long way. Not only is it a good solution for cooking, but also great for just sitting down and also other regular tasks, such as using your bed as a workbench, using those recessed slots as bolt holders and whatnot. It's pretty cool. Also, it's really easy to clean. Obviously, before I use it as a cutting board, I just simply take some wipes and I have no issues whatsoever. Pretty much of a no-brainer, but it's worth mentioning. Durable as hell. Had this thing for over 2 years and I use the mess out of it, use it as a cutting board, and even through now, it's still just got a little bit of scuffs on it. It looks pretty good to me. The installation is obviously easy, cosmetically looks pretty cool, and the customer service is great. I actually ordered mine in black originally. When I followed up on my order, they said they can get me one sooner in gray. I said yes, and I'm actually very happy with that accident. In regards to cons, there's really just one little thing. What started flat ended up having a little bit of a welch in the middle of it. Customer service said that that's normal. I do wish it just stayed flat, but besides that, I really don't have any other gripes. If you like the old rigid look and whatnot, this obviously is going to be for you, but for me, it definitely outweighs in regards to benefits versus not having it. Overall, I really enjoy this insert and was worth the purchase for me at least. I normally carry a cutting board and a table with me when we go out there, but I still find myself using this item quite often. If you have similar hobbies like I do, such as camping, near your vehicle, such as overlanding and whatnot, or frequently find yourself out at tailgate parties or something like that, this might be the item for you. I wouldn't necessarily put it like at the top of your list like a must-have, but it's definitely worth it if it's within your budget. Place your questions down below if you have anything that I may have missed. Also, if you have already purchased this item, let me know what your experience is. We all want to know what everybody uses it for and if it's good for you or not. I will be reviewing way more items soon, so feel free to like and subscribe and be a part of the Road to Manhood community. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace.